Today in What's Cooking, I am serving my personal favorite, delicious butter chicken. First, I have taken 500 grams of chicken. Here I am using chicken with bone. You can take boneless pieces too. Now I will marinate the chicken with 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil, salt as per the taste. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper. Now I will mix the salt and pepper with the chicken. It will help to turn the chicken juicy and flavorful. Now I am using half teaspoon of sugar in the marination and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder. Now I am mixing them with the chicken. Look at the bright red color of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder. Now here comes my star ingredient of the marination, hung curd. You can use normal curd too, but make sure not to have much water in the curd because we want a coating on the chicken, not the water. Make sure your marination is not watery or runny. In that case, you can use 1 teaspoon of roasted besan in the marination. Now I am using half teaspoon of Tandoori Chicken Masala for the extra tandoori flavor. With a gentle mix, my marination of chicken is complete now. Now I will cover the chicken and put it in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours so that the chicken absorb all the flavors of the marination. In the second section of the recipe, I am adding some water in a kadhai and adding some whole garam masala for a beautiful aroma. Here I am adding some green cardamoms, 1 or 2 sticks of cinnamon, some cloves, some white peppercorn and some black peppercorns. After 1 or 2 minutes, I will add the ingredients which will make the gravy of our butter chicken. Here I am adding 3 tomatoes. I have roughly cut the tomatoes and added them in the water. As we need a thick gravy, we need 3 to 4 tomatoes here. And now I am adding 2 roughly sliced onions. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized onions. After that, adding some small pieces of ginger and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder for the beautiful red color. Mix all the spices well and leave it in medium flame till the tomatoes become mashy. Add half teaspoon of butter. As we are making butter chicken, we do need the flavor of butter in the gravy. After 10 to 15 minutes, when the tomatoes become soft and mashy, I am flaming off the gas and leave it to cool down for another 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, when the mixture cools a little bit, I will make a paste from it. A smooth paste is ready. Look at the beautiful bright red color of the paste. As we want our gravy to be silky smooth, we need to strain the paste. Straining will prevent the mixing of seeds and coarse spices in the paste. After straining, we will get the silky smooth texture of the paste. My chicken is marinating for 3 hours. Now I will grill them in butter. As I don't have a grill pan right now, I am using the normal fry pan. Make sure to keep the flame of the gas high and cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes each side. Remember that you need to keep the flame high because otherwise the chicken will release water and it will be a boiled chicken, not a grilled chicken. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip the pieces and cook them in same way. Meanwhile, in a karhai, I am adding 3 teaspoons of oil with 1 teaspoon of butter. Now I am adding the paste for gravy. And adding a small amount of water to it. Mix the water and bring it to boil in low flame. Add the chicken pieces in the gravy. Cook the chicken in the gravy for about 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. Adding some kasuri methi, and 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. Always add cream at the end of the cooking and immediately flame off the gas after mixing it. My butter chicken is ready. Pour some fresh cream on the top and serve it with any kind of Indian bread. So, how was the recipe? Are you gonna try it? Feel free to tell me in the comment section. It's time to say bye now. I will be back with a new recipe next week. Till then, keep visiting my channel.